A kayaker almost became lunch for a whale. It happened off the coast of Patagonia in Chile. Adrián Simancas and his father were out on the water when a humpback whale got hungry.
Sí, yo en un principio cuando
Yes, at first when I thought I had died, it was like, of course, a lot of terror. Because I thought, no, there was nothing I could do. And when I got out and started to float, there I was really afraid that something would happen to my dad too.
Y después veo que sale a la superficie y después de él sale el bote a la superficie y después veo una parte del cuerpo de la ballena.
That we wouldn't have reached the shore in time and I would get hypothermia. This
Pero
wasn't
no
like...
veo.
When I turned around, I didn't see Adrián, my partner, my son. I didn't see him and I didn't see the boat, so I was surprised.